Hi, welcome to Amjad Concepts. In this session, I will explain 8th class first chapter, rational number, exercise 1.3, fifth problem. Here the question is given, if 2 by 5 of a number exceeds 1 by 7 of the same number by 36, find the number. Here the number is, let a number be x. Take as x. 2 by 5 of that number. 2 by 5 of that number. What happened? Then that is equal 2 by 5 of the number is x. So 2 by 5x. It can be written as 2x by 5. And 1 by 7 of the same number. 1 by 7 of the same number. What is that same number? X. So it can be written as 1 by 7 into x. So 1x by 7. Okay, read that statement again. If 2 by 5 of a number, 2 by 5 of a number, that is 2x by 5, is exceeds means some, plus, exceeds, more, increase. 1 by 7 of the same number, 1 by 7 of the same number is 1x by 7. To the by 36 plus 1x by 7. Okay, this is a statement, this is the equation. Okay, 2 by 5 of that number is exceeds 1 by 7 of that 1 by 7 of that same number by 36. Okay, here it can be written as 2x by 5 minus 1x by 7 equal to 36. Okay, and here the LCM is 5 for 5 7 35. 5 7 is 35. 5 7 times into, here the numerator is 2x minus 7 5 times into numerator of 1x. 5 into 1x is equal to 36. 7 to the 14x minus 5x. 9x is equal 36 is 35 become into 35. X is equal 36 into 35 by 9. 9 4 times. X is equal 4 into 35. 4 5 are 20. 4 3 are 12 plus 2 14. We got that number is 140. Okay, 2 by 5 of a number exceeds 1 by 7 of the same number by 36. 2 by 5 of a number is exceeds 1 by 7 of same number by 36. After that, simple calculation. Yeah, next one, sixth problem. Two pieces of length 2 3 by 5 meter and 3 by 10 meters are cut off from 11. Then what is the length of remaining rope? Yeah, here given total length of the rope is 11 meter. In the two pieces are cut. Then find the remaining rope's length. Find the length of remaining rope. Question number 6. Length of the rope. Length of the rope, total rope, is given 11 meter. In that, cut two pieces. Cut two pieces. In that one piece is 2 3 by 5 meter. One piece is 2 3 by 4 meter. Nothing but 5 to the 10 plus 3. 13 by 5 meter. And another piece is 3 3 by 10 meter. 3 3 by 10 meter. Nothing but 10 3 is 30 plus 3. 33 by 10 meter. Then find the length of remaining rope. Length of remaining rope. Yeah, that's the question. Did you get that? Total length of rope is 11 meter. Okay, in that cut two pieces. One is 13 by 5 meter, another one is 33 by 10 meters. Then find the length of remaining rope. What we have to do here? Okay, subtract these two from total rope, total length of the rope. Length of remaining rope is equal to total length of rope total length of rope minus these two. What are those? 13 by 5 minus 33 by 10. What is the length of total rope? 11. It can be written as 11 by 1 minus 13 by 5 minus 33 by 10. What is LCM for 1, 5, 10? 10 is the LCM. 1 10 times 10 into 11. 10 into 11 minus 5 2 times, write down 2 here, and the numerator is 13 minus 10 1 time into the numerator is 33. Here we got 10 11 ja 110 minus 13 2 26 minus 33 1 33 by 10. Okay, now 26 33 59. 110 minus 59. 110 minus 59 by 10. 110 59, that is 51. Yeah, 51 by 10. 10 5s are 50. 1 remaining by 10. Okay. This improper fraction can be written as a mixed fraction. 10 5 times, 1 remaining, 1 by 10. Okay, that means 5 and 1 by 10 meter rope remaining if you cut these two from 11 meter length of the rope. Okay, yeah. Next question. Find the area. Second. The cost of 7 2 by 3 meters of cloth is 12 3 by 4 rupees. Find the cost per 1 meter. Yeah. Given cost for 7 meters 2 by 3. 7 2 by 3 meters. 7 2 by 3 meter. Find for 1 meter. Cost of 7 2 by 3 meter cloth is 12 3 by 4 rupees. Okay, this is nothing but 3 7 21 plus 2. 21 plus 2, 23 by 3 meter. Here 4 12, 48 plus 3. 48 plus 3, 51 by 4 rupees. 51 by 4 rupees. Here the question is, for 1 meter, how much cost? Okay, this much length of cloth is, meter cloth is 51 by 4 rupees. For 1 meter, how much cost? Okay, 1 by 23 by 3 into 51 by 4. Okay, this can be 3 by 23 into 51 by 4. 3 1 ja 3, 3 5 ja 15, 153 by 4 3 ja 12, 4 2 ja 8 plus 1 92. Okay, rupees. It can be written as, do division 153 with 92. 92 1 ja 92. 3 minus 2, 1 here, 6. If you put point here, then you will get 0. With 6, 6 2 ja 8, 6 9 ja 54. Sorry. 6 2 ja 12, 54 plus 1, 55. 10 minus 2, 8, 58. Again point 0. Then do again 6, then you will get again 552. Enough. You will get 1 rupee 66 paisa. Okay, that's the cost of 1 meter cloth. Cost of 1 meter cloth is 1 rupee 66. Okay, yeah. Next question. Find the area of rectangle park which is 18 3 by 5 meter long and 8 2 by 3 meter broad. Find the area of rectangle. Eighth problem. Given length and breadth, long, nothing but length, height 2 by 3 meter. Given height 3 by 5 meter. Height 3 by 5 meter. It can be 5 8s are 40 plus 3. 43 by 5 meter. Okay. Change this mixed fraction into improper. 5 8s are 40 plus 3. 43 by 5 meter. And breadth 8 2 by 3 meter. No. Length is given 18 3 by 5 long. 18 3 by 5. Sorry. 18 3 by 5 long. 18 3 by 5. Okay. Now change this. 18 5 ja 90 plus 3. 93 by 5 meter. And breadth 8 2 by 3 meter. Breadth is 8 2 by 3 meter. 3 8 is 24 plus 2. 24 plus 2, 26 by 3 meter. Then find the area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. What is the area of rectangle? Area of rectangle is length into breadth. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. If you write, if you draw a rectangle, this is the length, and given that 93 by 5 meter, and this is the breadth 26 by 3 meter. Breadth and length. 93 by 5 into 26 by 3. 3 1 times. 3 3 ja 9, 3 1 ja. Okay. Now we got 26 1 ja 26. If not, do like this. 31 26. 6 1 ja 6. 6 3 ja 18. 2 1 ja 2. 2 3 ja 6. 6 8 to 10. 8. 806 by 5. 806 by 5. Okay. Nothing but 5 1 ja 5. 6 7 8. 30. 5 6 ja 30. Okay. Completed. 6 remaining. 5 1 ja 5. 1 remaining. 1 by 5. Totally we got 161 1 by 5 meter square. That's the area of a rectangle for given length and breadth. Okay. What is the area of rectangle? Length into breadth. Okay. This is the length and breadth. Multiply those two, you will get the area of a rectangle. Okay. And ninth one. What number should 33 by 16 be divided to get minus 11 by 4? Yeah. To get minus 11 by 4, what number should divide to the minus 33 by 16? Here the question is, what number should minus 33 by 16 be divided to get minus 11 by 4. Minus 11 by 4. Yeah. Here we can write, let the number is x. What number should divide this number to get minus 11 by 4? Minus 33 by 16 by x. What number should divide? Sorry. What number x should divide to the minus 33 by 16 to get minus 11 by 4? Okay. What number, that is x, should divide, okay, to the minus 33 by 16? If not, what number should minus 33 by 16 be divided to get minus 11 by 4. Both side minus minus cancel. Sorry. 33 by 16 into x is equal 11 by 4. Okay. Now do cross multiplication. 16x into 11. 16x into 11 is equal 33 into 4. 16x into 11 equal to 33 into 4. Now x is equal 33 into 4 by 16 into 11. 16 into 11. 11 3 times, 4 1 jar, 4 4 jar. We got x equal to 3 by 4. Okay. Next question. If 36 trousers of equal sizes can be stitched with 64 meters, okay, then question is, what is the length of the cloth required for each trouser? Required cloth for each trouser. For 36 trousers, 64 meter cloth required. For single trouser, how much cloth required? Okay, for that 36 64 meters, for one trouser, how much cloth required? Nothing but 1 by 36 into 64 meter. Nothing but 64 by 36. Okay, 4 9 ja, 4 1 ja 4, 24, 4 6 ja. 16 by 9 meter cloth required for one trouser. Okay, it can be written as 9 1 ja 9. Okay, 7 remaining, 7 by 9 meter cloth required. Okay, yeah. Next question. When the repeating decimal 10.363636 and so on dash 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 is written in the simplest fractional form p by q, find the value of p plus q. 11th question. (10.3636) so on. If you write in p by q form, then what is the value of p plus q? That's the question. What is the value of p plus q? Very simple. First of all, write in p by q form. After that, add these two, then you will get the answer. Okay, we know this. Let x is equal 10.3636 so on. This is equal for 10.36 bar. Why? Because 36 is repeating. 36 is repeating. So 36 bar. What is periodicity here? 2 is the periodicity. So multiply with 100 both side. 100 into x, 100x equal to. If you multiply 100 to this number, the decimal point is moves 2 digits forward. So it can be 1036.3636 and so on. Now 100x equal to, we got 1036.3636 so on, and x is equal 10.3636 so on. Okay, 3636 so on. Subtract 100x minus x, 99x. 99x is equal, here after point we have same 36363, so after point put 0. 1036 minus 10, 1026. Okay, x is equal 1026 by 99. By 99. Now divide. X is equal 1026 by 99. 9 1 ja 9 1 ja. 9 1 ja 9, 10. 12 remaining, again 9 1 ja 9, 10 11 12, 3, 36 remaining, 9 4 ja 36. Okay, now we got x equal to 114 by 11 equal to p by q. we need P plus Q, that is equal to 114 plus Q. What is Q here? 11. Totally 4 plus 1, 5, 2, 1, 125. You got P plus Q value 125. Is that clear? Okay. Yeah, by this problem, this exercise and total chapter is completed. Rational numbers, 8th class, first chapter. Thank you, students. Thanks for watching. One and all, thank you.